Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Amazon verification code not receiving. So let's get started. So if you're not receiving your Amazon verification code, here are a few solutions that you can try. First of all, you're going to make sure that you're using a strong Wi-Fi network. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data instead, or connect to a stable Wi-Fi network if you're on a cellular data. This can help rule out connection issues. Next, you're going to check your email spam, junk, or trash folder. So simply head over to your mail, and if you're expecting the verification code by email, sometimes these messages are filtered automatically. So you're going to make sure to check all of the folders within your mail. And if the code still hasn't arrived, return to Amazon login screen, and you can simply tap resend code option if you have, and that will request a new verification code. Also, if you're using any VPN or proxy, they can sometimes interfere with the verification process, so make sure to disable that. And make sure that the phone number or email address linked to your Amazon account is correct and up to date. If you're trying to sign up with your phone number, you can try using your email address instead. Likewise, if you're using your email, switch to your registered phone number if available. Those are the most efficient ways to fix Amazon verification codes not being received.